Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable Do Not Disturb access for your Samsung Galaxy phone or even Google Pixel as well. So if you want to turn that on for specific special app access permissions, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the Setting Gear button. And then you want to go down and select where it says apps. So go ahead and select that. And then underneath general, you want to scroll down and select special app access. And now that we're on this page, you want to select the do not disturb access. And now that we're on here, just go ahead and select whatever apps you want to make that access for. So you can select Gmail, for example. If you want to turn on Do Not Disturb for the Gmail app, you can select Allow and turn that on. Otherwise, you can just toggle it to the off position, depending if you want to enable or disable it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.